Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Lost Cuisine. Today we are gonna make veg lasagna but without using any pasta or lasagna sheet, just by using breads. So for that I'm taking small sized sliced breads and just cutting out the edges. You can use them for later to make another delicious recipes. After cutting the edges, you just have to roll them up to flat them. Ta-da! It's done. Now they are just like the lasagna sheets. Now for making the red sauce, I'm taking 1 tablespoon of oil and just adding chopped garlic. Now saute them for a little and then add some roughly chopped onion. Then add some roughly chopped tomato. Cook until they become soft. Then add 1/4 cup of water and then cook them again. Then make a paste out of these ingredients and then pour the mixture into the karai again. Then add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Then adding a teaspoon of sugar, you can increase it or just skip this. Then add salt as per your taste. And then just mix guys. I'm adding a little bit of oregano. If you don't have it, then you can just skip it. Then adding 1/4 cup of water. Bring it to boil and your red sauce is ready. Now it's turn for white sauce. So for that I'm adding a tablespoon of butter to the karai. Then add 2 tablespoons of flour to the butter and fry it until it becomes golden. But be careful everyone, don't burn it. Now it's time for the milk. Add a little bit of milk at a time and stir continuously, otherwise it will form lumps. Then add salt as per your taste and a teaspoon of oregano. Mix all of them together and your white sauce is ready. Now it's time for the veggies. So for that add 1 tablespoon of oil to the karai, then add chopped garlic and then diced onions. Fry them for a little. Then I'm adding finely diced carrots. If you want to add other vegetables, don't think for it, just add them according to your choice. Then fry them and add a pinch of salt. Here comes the most interesting part. Assemble all the ingredients to make the real lasagna. First I'm adding red sauce and just adding a little bit of white sauce. Then we'll add the veggies and some shredded cheese. You can go for mozzarella, processed, cheddar. Then place the bread slices. But actually there is no specific way to arrange the lasagna. You can arrange or assemble the ingredients according to your choice. Here I'm adding a cheese slice and on top of it adding some little bit of red sauce and white sauce and topping them with the veggies left here. It's time to bake it. I'm not using any microwave or salt here. Today I have just placed a heavy bottom karai and preheat that for 10 minutes. After that just placed that mold here and covered it with lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes at low flame. Hey, look at this, the lasagna is ready to serve. Your homemade lasagna is ready and it's totally without any pasta sheet or lasagna sheet, just by using normal daily used sliced breads. So guys, I hope you all have liked this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press that bell icon to get notified. Bye bye.